WYN Bullet Emergency Window Breaker. The WYN Bullet is a compact yet powerful emergency window breaker designed for swift escapes from locked vehicles. Featuring a tungsten carbide tip and spring-loaded mechanism, it shatters tempered glass with precision, even underwater. Its pocket-sized design ensures easy accessibility, whether carried in a pocket or attached to a keychain. Ideal for safety-conscious drivers and survivalists, the WYN Bullet offers peace of mind in emergencies, ensuring quick and effective action when seconds count. The Nordic Pocket Saw is a lightweight and portable cutting tool perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Weighing just 4.7 ounces, it includes a 25.6-inch heat-treated high-carbon steel chain with bidirectional teeth, designed for efficient cutting of firewood and clearing paths. The saw's durable nylon handles and robust stitching ensure reliability and ease of use in diverse outdoor conditions. Its compact design makes it an essential companion for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Light Water by Flex Staelger is a compact and efficient portable water purifier. With a simple double press of a button, it transforms untreated water into safe and drinkable form, making it invaluable for adventurers navigating environments with limited access to clean water sources. Its portability and ease of operation ensure reliable hydration from streams, puddles, or ponds, enhancing safety and comfort during outdoor excursions. The Hunt 4.0 is a versatile everyday carry tool that combines a flashlight, pry bar, and refillable lighter in a compact package. Designed for versatility and durability, it features an IPX7 rating, making it suitable for various outdoor conditions. The Hunt 4.0 ensures users are prepared for emergencies with its reliable performance and essential tools for lighting, prying, and more. The Annihilate FA3 Survival Shovel from Zune Loto is a comprehensive tool for outdoor survival. It integrates essential functions such as a camping knife, fish spear, survival whistle, and sturdy shovel head. Designed for durability and functionality, it simplifies tasks like digging and shelter construction. Its dual-purpose capability as an axe enhances its versatility, making it an essential tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists facing the challenges of the wilderness. The Titan Emergency Sleeping Bag is essential for survival in challenging outdoor conditions. Designed to retain body heat effectively, these tear-resistant and reusable bags offer reliable shelter against harsh weather elements. Their origins in NASA space exploration ensure exceptional heat retention and durability, making them a trusted choice for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preparedness kits alike. The Reno Ready Companion is a comprehensive survival kit designed for 2 people over a 72-hour period. It includes essential items such as food supplies, versatile tools, a stainless steel water flask, and a first aid kit, all neatly organized within a waterproof and fire-resistant backpack. Ideal for emergency preparedness, it ensures users are equipped with necessary supplies for survival during natural disasters or unforeseen emergencies, emphasizing convenience and peace of mind in challenging situations. The Toporo Trekking Pole is a versatile tool designed for safety and convenience during outdoor exploration. Crafted from durable aluminum, it doubles as a multi-tool with integrated features such as a screwdriver, knife, saw blade, and more. Adjustable sections cater to various body sizes, providing a personalized fit for users. Its sturdy rubber ring prevents water seepage, making it suitable for diverse weather conditions. Ideal for adventurers seeking a reliable companion for hiking and other outdoor activities, the Toporo Trekking Pole offers functionality and durability in a compact design. The Paracard redefines versatility with its compact design that integrates a fire knife and cordage into a single, essential tool. Crafted from 440C stainless steel with a heat-treated, double-ground blade, it ensures efficient cutting and durability. The molded Kydex sheath, fitted with genuine 550 parachute cord, includes a notch for easy paracord access without removing the tool. Ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists, the Paracard offers practicality in everyday carry, survival situations, and military applications. Whether lighting fires or cutting through obstacles, it stands as a reliable companion in challenging environments. Surviveware emergency mylar blankets are designed to preserve body heat and provide effective shelter in extreme conditions. Waterproof and windproof, they retain up to 90% of body heat, ensuring warmth in cold environments. The dual-sided design optimizes temperature regulation, with a silver side for heat preservation and a green side for comfort adjustment. These blankets also aid in camouflage, blending users into their surroundings for added safety. Compact and lightweight, each package contains 5 extra-large blankets folded into waterproof laminate bags, ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and emergency preparedness kits. The Purisu Water Purifier Bottle is an essential companion for adventurers seeking safe drinking water from natural sources. Its robust design withstands shocks, ensuring durability in outdoor conditions. Featuring an ergonomic pump system with an extension hose, it fills the 400 cubic centimeters water tank in just 60 seconds, while eliminating 99.99% of bacteria with a multi-layered prefiltration sieve. Whether hiking, camping, or facing emergencies, Purisu provides reliable hydration without the need for conventional water sources, making it a vital tool for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists alike. The RockPack is a multifunctional device designed for modern outdoor activities. It serves as a protective dry box for essential items like smartphones, while also integrating a powerful 12,000 mAh battery for uninterrupted device charging in extreme temperatures. Featuring fast charging capability for 2 devices simultaneously, it includes a rugged solar panel for renewable energy options and can also be plugged into traditional power sources. The RockPack's military-grade waterproof design and versatile 4-function LED flashlight make it an indispensable companion for outdoor enthusiasts seeking reliable and compact storage solutions for their gadgets.